watching me try this for the first time. Oh, I stabbed myself a little bit. I'm gonna have to hit it with something. This thing is so greased up right now. The shirt has come off. This is a cyclist body. And I got hit by an Amazon delivery driver. So I have a giant stem. I don't know how long this is, maybe like 120 millimeters. It's 140 millimeters. Oh, look, and this disgusting smoothie I made earlier. Really good though. Put it on this Univega Competizione. Fun, quick story about how I got this bike. It was like a month or two ago. I was on a Bridgestone, an old Bridgestone forum, Bridgestone Owners Bunch. People post ads there, bike stuff, and someone posted an ad for a 61 centimeter Univega old road frame, and I was like, this would be so sick. And it was only for $60, and the guy was located in Echo Park. But law school was so busy, I didn't think I'd have time for it, and then one Friday, I was heading out to Malibu on the bus, and it broke down, and I was already gonna be late for my first class, so I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna skip it. It's like a professional development class in civil procedure. And I skipped it, and the guy messaged me. He's like, hey, are you still interested in the bike? And I was like, yes, bro. Went back, took the expo out to Echo Park, met him in the Jack in the Box, at a Jack in the Box parking lot, got the frame. These bars are a little bit too high, and I want it to be a little bit more, I want to be more spread out on the bike. Also, look at these bananas I got from Trader Joe's today. Why do they look terrible? I think maybe because they got rustled around in my backpack. I went on a ride tonight out to Will Rogers. Totally dark out. Very creepy, honestly. Like, foggy night, and absolutely no one was in the park, and you could hear birds and cars driving below on Sunset. It was crazy. But yeah, here's some clips of that creepiness. I was hoping this one would fit. I realize I should have done all the other bar stuff first. I need to take off the tape on one side and slide the lever off so I can get it out. So I didn't need to loosen the stem. Now I'm tightening it. Such a dumb mistake. This is 5 mil. I'm struggling. I think I got it. That feels so good. Now I just need to take off this little guy. I'm gonna have to hit it with something. I'm gonna use this, my giant wrench. Voila. Let's get this this mofo off. Ooh, I hope the brake is long enough to let this happen. Oh, the shifter. I might need to do some other stuff here. That's so annoying. Wait, no, I figured it out. I just had to go lower, down. Hell yeah, let's go. And I have the right Allen key. But it's rounded out. Back to the trusty multi-tool. Boom. This thing is so greased up right now. I need to tighten it up, but I'm already getting greasy fingers. But hopefully I have the right Allen key. I really need to get a new set. You do what you gotta do. So I need to get it to a point when it'll just engage on its own. Which should be here. Nope. Okay, it has to go more. And my fingers are getting greasy. Oh, okay, there we go. We got it. Now I'm about to put this thing in. Gonna see how high I can put it in. That looks so sick. Round it out. I'll adjust this later. We can check this out. Side profile, nice and long. Alright, time to put this thing back in. Let's see if I can outsmart it. Yes, yes, come on. Oh. Oh my god, it might be the wrong size. You know, I've never done this before, but I've seen videos. I think Ultra Romance did this in a video where you can open it up with a screwdriver. So I'm pretty sure conceptually that'll work, but who knows. Thankfully, I have a big screwdriver. I see some scuffs too. I wonder if I've tried this before. I think I need to take the screw out. Yep, for sure, for sure. I need to get like a good grip on the bike. Yeah, you're watching me try this for the first time. Oh, I stabbed myself a little bit. I'm trying it from a different angle. Come on, baby. You gotta make sure it's lined up. I don't wanna fucking stab myself. Sorry for the language. Okay. Time to make this thing look pretty. The shirt has come off, which means that I'm hot. But look at this. Look how cool it is. Looks great. I just need to put the end cap in, but otherwise looks pretty symmetrical. These Modolo brakes are so sick. I love this old 3T logo too. I don't know what bars or what stem, what bike, what bike I had this stem on, because it's so long. It's crazy. I love it. This definitely looks like it's gonna be a racier position. Look, this is a cyclist body. Just gotta make sure this thing is straight. I think I might have gone like, that looks straight. Yeah, it looks good, but this thing is so long. It's crazy. Okay, check this thing out. It looks pretty good. Here's the Riv. Looking beautiful, as always. I even have my law school commute kit. I go to school in Malibu, and so when I commute, it's on PCH for like 12 miles. It's horrible. I think it is legitimately the worst bike commute in America. Let me know if you want me to do a video on it, because it sucks. And I got hit by an Amazon delivery driver a few months ago. Crazy, but yeah, love riding, and I'm okay dying while cycling. It looks cool, and it has big tire clearance. This is an interesting setup on this bike. Continental GP 5000s, like race tires, with a 1x system here, some Mavic wheels. I love the old Mavic wheels, whatever. I say Mavic, I don't know why I said Mavic. But yeah, it's pretty sick. I even got these like nameplates or stickers made recently, but it's like a fun, fast bike. I went on a ride recently and like, yeah, I used to race, and so I have pretty fast times up segments around here. But I went to Franklin Canyon and was just feeling like really strong and was just flying up all the climbs. And it was crazy because that morning I looked at the scale and I was like almost 200 pounds, which is like kind of heavy for me. And I'd like to, well, actually I think it was like 195, but yeah, so I was feeling like, I need to lose some weight, I need to eat a little bit less. Because ideally I'd like to be more around 185, 180 if I'm feeling extra lean. But yeah, but it was sick because I was so strong, like I broke all these PRs that I had, and it felt really good. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, have a good week.